Alright, so weird interaction. I'm going to be making a video of me cooking coral lobbies just because I'm bored. I have nothing else to do. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh.
Oh, let me take yours. I got this.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how that one worked. But hey, it worked, so it worked. Wait. Oh no. Made sense to me.
I'm sorry, that was a
Oh my
terrible
life, this is
bounce.
cool
I
lobby.
was trying to hit it towards you. It's okay.
I'm so bad. Logo. Yo, is your arm okay? You trying to grab the paddles? Ugh. I pressed the Oh, I'm insane. The lag isn't though. Oh, I'm bad. I'm so bad. I genuinely don't think I've seen a single video. You on left bridge?
Let me take. I got it. Okay, I do not have you, bro. I'm so laggy. My bad, teammate. You can take it, bro. I don't know why, but I just got extra laggy for no reason. I guess my
Clueless, man. Don't know why.
You're red. My bad. Late reaction time by me. Okay, so I
Dang, bruh. I won't let me touch the ground. Oh, they're not good. They're not good at all. Oh, dang.
Oh, no shot. That doesn't go in. Alright, bro.
That's insane. Fuck.
Pass back. Never mind, you got that. Get a lock in, Loki. Oh, they're wasting time, bro. No, that's actually weird. Oh, good. Actually weird that you wasted enough time so that we can't win no matter what now.
Bro, what? We were
so
discussing on who's gonna take it.
I forgot what team it was. Please! Don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh, no way. Teammate, you I just stole it.
Wait, real work, good one.
Get that. What the?
Through my hand. Through my hand.
Fast, red. Ain't no way. You're trash, cat. Play. He man. Red.
Left
Get
bitch.
that fucked out. Da-da-da-da. Wait, haha. I got it. Boom. Oh, I can report you now. I can report you. Guys, report her. Report her. No, report it. You can't do that, bro. Clear, you're red. Clear, you're red. Wait, you're a baby girl? I can't believe there's a baby playing.
Yep, I am, man.
Dang,
Look who's angry. Little angry elf. Me? Yup. Nah. Nah, I'm talking to the other person talking. Like, you. You're terrible, little bro. Shut up. You're 5 and you're on this game, bro. Get off.
Oh, nice.
You McNugget.
Nice,
Go.
green. Yo,
Yo, Chad, where's the McNugget? Chad,
Nice.
there's a McNugget in this lobby.
Right, look.
oh
Okay.
my god, I didn't see him.
Let's go. Great pass. Great pass.
It's not in.
Oh, my bad
my
movie.
friend followed me.
Empty out your pockets. You got that? Haha. 3 minutes. That's fun. J-Rock.
I tell you, that's so bad. You're 3 minutes late. You said 5:30, and it's 5:33. I'm playing Orion Drift.
Green bean.
Yeah, we know.
Can I have Robux? I might be getting 3,000 later if Robux can handle a gift card.
Great pass right there, boys. Oh my gosh. Here, I'll show
In
you
what?
how.
Vice versa brain drops? Okay.
You
My
got
teammates are cooking in Orion Drift. You don't want to do that.
There's no way.
One shot.
How about you do something about it? Exactly. You're 5 years old,
Ah.
bro. Get off Big Bro's headset.
Get off a
Make
big
sure you
road.
play Orion Drift with me.
Exactly.
And you didn't see the new update yet. It's massive.
That's what you sound like.
There we go, kind of, sort of. There we go, kind of, sort of. Look at this skybox. Yes, and they have like a live event. Sorry, no, get in and see, there's a live event. It's not like live, but it's like an event. Stupid.
No, I got you.
Oh, stupid.
What is taking so freaking long?
I don't know. Your teammate's the one
Stop
wasting time.
Bro, can you shut up, little kid?
I'm not a little kid.
Yeah, you
I'm
little
older
kid.
than you, buddy.
Bro, just stop making
Buddy,
me stupid.
be quiet, bro.
No,
You're
I'm so
actually
old.
so annoying.
I'm so old now.
Nice.
I
Yo,
deepened my
I wasn't
voice.
even
I'm so
talking. I was just talking to my friend.
Left bridge, left
You're
bridge.
6 years old, bro. Shut up. God damn.
I think Hello. Sounds like 6 to you.
Sorry, Nick. No, I'll pass.
Well, what are we
I'm making it a video, so I just had to get the clip real quick.
What is
Let's
this?
go. Great pass right
What are
there.
y'all doing?
The
Yo,
team
Mike,
is
I'm
on.
Oh, it's in.
Oh my
That's goalie.
Thank you. Bro, where's the ball? Get off of me!
Bro.
God dang, that kid is so annoying. Oh! What are you
Well, yeah, I'm not skillfully a little. Oh, yeah.
Dang.
Bro, how do you miss?
that was the J-Rock, you, the Chris ball, it's a 3v2. Wait a minute.
2v2.
I know, but I mean, says that. I don't know why. But I mean, I'm just having that weird feeling. This. What happened to Deadpool? J-Rock, you got this.
I feel like I hit this up. Oh yeah, I'm about to leave, by the way.
What?
I'm about to leave.
Don't leave me, J-Rock. Can't leave me here, J-Rock. J-Rock! Oh, that was a good story. So what do you want? J-Rock, don't leave me! J-Rock, leave! J-Rock, don't leave! Somebody please join! Thank goodness, because J-Rock, my buddy, was gonna... Thanks, man. What the frick? What the freak? Oh no! Ah! What the freak? Sorry. I guess. Then somebody can have the boy as being bullied. What the freak? Oh!
Logo.
Okay.
Bro.
All your teammates left. Why would they leave you though? I mean, why would they leave you?
What are we doing?
All of his teammates have left him behind. All of his teammates have left him behind. It's all of his teammates
I thought I was farther in the goal, bro, or farther over.
left him
Gotta be joking.
behind. It's a beautiful memory, guys. What the beautiful, miraculous day today.
Nice save.
Sing Irish. Would you die?
What?
Oh, B. Went in that way. To Macarena. Hey, Macarena. I'm a Maca. Hey, buddy. Hey, yeah, you join that team. Join that team. It's a 2v4. Yeah, there. Perfect.
Go for that.
They must be perfect. I do not want to get in the way. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, they both. Yes, they both reach. I got him. What the? Wait, I think this is the same dude from last time.
Heck yeah.
Teammates, you guys have to be more active, right?
Ow.
Curve it, what?
No, like seriously. No, I'm not talking about like the game.
How did
I'm
he
talking
curve?
about
What do
the
you
run.
mean?
Oh.
What did I say? Drift blitz?
But
How
are
is
you
he?
giving out
Oh,
call outs?
No, I'm green. I'm green.
yeah, new drift ball. I'm completely bored.
Yeah, they just don't have. Okay.
Yeah, whenever I try
So they're spiking it.
it just goes.
I did not spike it. I did not realize.
Guys, it's
I mean,
six.
you kind
I'm
of pushed
sorry.
it onto the ground. That's
That
fine.
was stupid. But it's 6 out of 7.
If this kid does not
Okay,
shut up,
bro,
I'm
don't
throwing
ever
him.
do that, bro.
No, but literally it's 6 out of 7.
No, like 6 no.
Fine.
It's 6-2-7.
Fine.
Not funny anymore.
Actually, it was 7-6.
It's been like months.
I mean, you gotta grab it, I think. I don't know.
Shoot.
I haven't played that yet. Lisa.
What the lag?
Ooh, bolt all two, man.
What's that? Like,
I just
no.
again.
This ever. Holy moly. Wait,
I just lagged for 3 times in a row.
oh, what the?
I just lagged.
Oh,
three
nice.
times.
Oh, yeah, that made it better.
Dude, I just lagged 3 times in a row. Yeah.
Yeah, bolt did.
I let you guys mostly guard the goal because like
Like this MI is actually getting worse every single update.
what do you mean?
Yeah, it's getting worse every.
My MI's at 10 right now, and I'm fine.
My MI is at 40, bro.
Oh yes, yes.
I mean, you have to practice, though. You have to get better.
So glad that
Bro.
Yeah, I'm just practicing a little bit on my like little ball control and little spots for
Nice.
demo.
Oh, that was beautiful. What the?
I need to practice a
How
lot
in
more.
the? How is?
Nah, hopefully
I just wanted to look
it's yeah, sure.
please. You be goalie. I'm not very good at goalie at all.
Holy cellar. Actually, might be the worst grandma player. Holy.
What the?
Bro, I hit that into him. That was so
That was the
lucky.
greatest game I've ever had. Or you ever had. Basically, yeah.
Alright, pressure.
What the? What the? What the freak?
What, you don't like my
What
play
is
style?
that? Oh, that was undone.
Oh my God.
Suppressant. Get the yes.
Oh. I just saw my freaking pressure.
Don't worry.
Nobody
you'll
even controls
learn.
this, just
like
movement.
I learned from nobody. Yet nobody wanted to actually help me. So
Oh my
I've
God, I'm
learned
actually
from
bored.
nobody. So you know, like, if somebody's generous enough to actually help you, which nobody was. Oh, holy moly, holy guacamole! This is going
Look.
out of chain. What the freak?
Guacamole.
The guacamole! Oh, guys, the guacamole taste is great. Oh, sorry,
Taste is
dude. I didn't know chain.
Not
Chain.
great. It taste is great.
Oh,
Yeah.
what the
Oh my god, I'm such a
fuck?
Give it 5 seconds
What
to
the
score,
beast?
not a goal.
What the Mr. Beast? What the crackers?
Yo.
What the Chick-fil-A Chipotle sauce is?
What?
I don't know. Don't ask me. What are you
Bro,
doing?
why are we getting so much of like...
What is happening with the ball today?
What?
What is happening with the ball today? Holy moly. Oh yeah, we lost. What the frick?
We're...
What the frickadoodles? It says